If you don't like tech headaches but still want your Cardano wallet running smoothly, then follow these steps. First up, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial. No Wi-Fi, no wallet. Next, update your wallet and software. Outdated versions can cause hiccups. Keep everything fresh and smooth. Sometimes a simple restart can do wonders. Turn off your device and power it back on. Magic. If that doesn't work, clear the cache and data for your wallet app. Corrupted files can be sneaky culprits. Also, peek at your firewall and antivirus settings. They might be blocking your wallet by mistake. Temporarily disable them to check. Still stuck? Try reinstalling your wallet. A fresh start can clear out any hidden bugs, and if all else fails, contact wallet support. They're your lifeline for tailored help. Remember, stay safe. Only download from official sources. And guard against phishing attempts. Now go on, get that wallet working.